Namaskara, this is Harsha here. Welcome back to the 21-day headstand mastery. So today I'll be guiding you through the 8th variation. So in the last 7 days we did first 5 variations of headstand, and then we did the 6th and the 7th, which is Parshva Shirshasana and Parshva Ekapada Shirshasana. So today I'm going to be guiding you through the 8th variation of a headstand, which is Ekapada Shirshasana, what we call as one-leg headstand. So this is very similar to whatever you've been doing in the last couple of days. So in order to do the one-legged headstand or Ekapada Shirshasana, first we come up to the first variation of Shirshasana, which is the very first one that we did from the very beginning on the very first day. So in the usual Shirshasana, the normal headstand practice, we keep both the legs straight. So it's going to be the same right now, but first once you straighten both the legs, in this what we call as Ekapada Shirshasana, one leg will be there up on the wall, against the wall, one leg will be down. So for this, in case if you have a bolster, you can grab hold of it and then just place it in the front. Or if you don't have a pillow, that's okay, it doesn't matter. I'll show you an alternate version also. So 8th variation of headstand, 8th day of the 21 days. Let's get started now. First, let's do the first variation of headstand. You interlock the fingers, place it down, the fingers touching the wall. You place the crown of the head on the mat. You lift the heels and then you slowly come up. So this is the very first variation. So today's practice, Ekapada Shirshasana, just make sure the elbows are in. As I always instruct, once you come up, the elbows tend to turn outside. Tuck the elbows in. So you're here. Now this time, let the left leg be there itself. Slowly drop the right leg down. You'll be able to bring it down at least halfway till here. You find it difficult, you can keep the legs bent. If it's possible, straighten the legs, tighten the knees. And then slowly move it up and then change. It's very essential that you keep both the legs straight and then you slowly come back. So this was just a preparatory practice. Now let's go for the actual asana. Keep the legs straight. Ekapada Shirshasana. One leg will be on the wall, one leg will try to bring this down. So now you just did, whatever you just did was bringing the leg halfway. Now if you have a bolster, just keep it in front. Take the hands back, interlock the fingers. Now slowly exhale and bring it down and see if you can place the foot on the bolster. Once you do this, it's okay, you can bend this left leg a little bit, but if it's possible, try to keep it straight. Even if you're finding this difficult, let the left leg be there itself and just stay here. For those who can, straight down. As soon as you start to move the left leg down and try to place it on the floor or on the bolster, you feel like, okay, the left leg is bending a little bit and the pelvic bone is also turning to the right or the left. These things are quite natural. See, this is what happens. So you're here. Once you slowly start to come down, you feel like the left leg is coming off the wall. And the moment you try to touch the right foot, the left leg would have bent and even it would have come off the wall. It's okay. To avoid that, you can just stay here. This is more than sufficient to start with. And then move it back up.
Get the balance, stay here. Now let's do the other leg. Let the right leg be there itself, and then slowly bend the left leg down. If it's possible, try touching the bolster, else just come down halfway. And then go back. And then while coming down, you slowly bend the leg. Drop the head down. You rest the forehead on the palms, slow down the breath, and then you slowly come up.
So this is the 8th variation, what we call as Ekapada Shirshasana. The one leg will be on the wall, one leg you'll try to bring it down. So if you haven't done this for quite some time, and if your hamstrings are really tight, like how my hamstrings are tight today, you will definitely feel, okay, it's not possible for you to straighten the leg. Sometimes this happens. Like today, I'm not able to straighten the leg at all because my hamstrings are tight today. If that's the case, it's okay. Just practice for 1 or 2 rounds. Repetition, it's the only way for you to gain mastery over it. There's no other shortcuts at all. So this is Eka Pada Shirshasana, or what we call as one leg headstand. Okay, so do give this a try. And as I say in every one of my videos, before you practice this, practice the earlier versions of headstand. You can find the link in the description or over here. Just give that a try. Gain a certain level of mastery in those, and then you go ahead with this. So I hope you understood how to do the 8th variation of headstand. Give this a try. Do let me know how you felt in the comments below. I really look forward to reading them. That's the only way for me to know that you're actually practicing, and whatever I'm sharing is actually informative and is helping you gain clarity with respect to the practice. So give this a try. Let me know. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.